Hey guys, welcome back, and it's 2nd of June. Um, Sorry I couldn't do 1st of June analysis. It was a super hectic day for me. So yeah, it's day 16 nonetheless, but I've missed out the Monday. So hopefully I can do more of this moving forward. And looking at the situation right now, let's just jump right in. Is that I've got three positions and they're all making profits and making pretty good profits. So I haven't been looking at my trades for the past 1-2 days. So happy to see this situation, and let's jump right into the charts. So as we can see, pink line is up, red line is up, and blue line kind of like slowed down a bit with a little pause at the moment. But I think it's only because it's for the current day, which has not closed yet. Have seen so we actually bought this Aussie dollar, and the stop loss at the red line over here. So as you can see, we are in very much in profits, which is a very good thing. We can actually ride it out for quite some time. Pink line up, so trend is up. So over the next couple of days, we will definitely see trend is getting very strong. So that's a good sign, and we are up and away, hopefully. So but we can see that the blue line is of the recent high over the past close to maybe a month now. So but it is good because why I say good is because the red line over here and the pink line is solidly up. So when that happens, price may dip a little. It's fine to just pause, but expecting it to go higher with strong trend lines, it continue higher. So can continue to look to buy if you guys have not. Although the stop loss will probably need to be a little deeper and probably be some kind around this low of this candle, which is 0.65199. So that's something that I would put on. If you guys have not long this, you could long this. So currently in quite a nice profit situation, and the lines are showing very good to buy. So we'll definitely buy over here, which is the current price of 0.678285, right? The red one, 0.6782. And stop loss, if you guys haven't, it would be sometime the low of of this candle, which is 0.6519. Okay, so that is for Aussie dollar. For cotton, it has moved up a little in terms of pricing. One good day of pop. So pink line is seems like it's flattening but turning upwards, and then red line is up, blue line is up as well. So we could actually even long this, but given that I know that I need more margin, so I can't do it. But if you guys have not bought, you can actually buy. Let's see, let me double confirm. So pink line, no chance of it turning down anytime soon. And then red line has turned up because of the how the price have moved over the past couple of days. So let's see, we might want to wait it out a bit because probably about the next couple of 5 days over, we might see that it will come back. It will have a stronger upline, but definitely if you guys, I will still wait it out a bit to be on the safer side. So hopefully price would give up. It would probably be a situation where the price runs away, but as long as we are positioned with the lines, we would be hopefully be that's all we need to do to have a successful trading career. So strictly basis, you can put some long small amount of buys, right, at the current price 60273, right, 60273. And the stop loss, I would say that if price comes back down to somewhere around this low, which is 54.69, and we would definitely see a price changing as a result if this price came back down. I'll be careful to buy. I wouldn't want to buy too much. I just want to buy a little bit if I really want to. But if situation like this and not much capital to begin with, I would rather wait a little bit more. Um, but strictly speaking, this can buy. Yeah, we are on a good. It'll be good to buy as well. Okay, moving on. Crude oil. So crude oil has not changed in terms of its picture, but if you can see, right, price is high over here. I mean the line over here, and blue line there's a divergence because the price is lower and the price here is higher. So could look to kind of like short the market. But yeah, I can actually look to short, but because the red line is still up, so cross current mode we can't do anything. So skipping. So we're not gonna trade on a cross current mode. Euro dollar has seems to have shown signs to move up, but then it has slowed down because of the recent high blue line, which is SL line. Red line is up, pink line is up, but because it's so choppy over here, I will skip that for now. Yeah, we'll skip that for now. All right, the pound red line up, pink line up, red line and blue line is up as well. So strong concurrent mode, and but because price is on its recent high in terms of the, the blue line is on its recent high. So we might want to be careful about it. But overall picture looks really pretty good. And don't see lines to be lines might flatten out if it continues. It does not get higher than this, so it will start to look a little flatter, as much as I like it to be. And so that's for pound dollar. So the my last review on 29 May on day 15 is either to take profits or to let it ride. So I have chosen to let it ride, but seems like it's on a good side to take profits now. I one thing I think I might want to take out is because I don't really like the picture of, over the next couple of days, if it starts to stay around this price, right, which is the high of this, and you start to make the lines look a bit flatter than it should be. So it's a tough one. It's either I take profits now, or I shift my stop loss and let it ride, or take more risk. So I'm just gonna let it ride a bit more. I think it might be the wrong decision. I will never truly know until the end. So yeah, I'm gonna write it out, but I will need to include a word review here. Just because I think reason for my decision right now to let it ride it out is because we've seen a pretty strong movement in terms of the up bar here, and then up bar here consolidation, and then up bar here consolidation, and then went back up. So price seems to be pretty strong over the past couple of weeks, since early May, especially here. So and it's in strong concurrent mode. Yeah, I think I want to let it ride out a bit more, but I might be squeezing out too much over here as well. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna exit my trades for a pound, because I feel like first of all is slightly possibly turning back down a little bit more, and because I mean it's on its the blue line's on a recent high. So it's a tough one. I'm not sure how I should take profits over here. especially since it closed a bit above the 50 SMA. I'll just get rid of my position. Pound. I think reason for getting out of this position is because I feel like it's better to take profits early. It's better to be too early to take out my to take profits. Rather than staying a bit too long. So just gonna take out 400 stop loss and just gonna close my trade with a close buy. Alright, so I made profits on this, and I think I made about was it $9 plus? Let me see. History. So I closed trade for pound, 400 units, and the amount wise I took up was $9. So that's about 9% on my initial capital. So that's good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, we'll probably need to review it in the long run and see if I've made the right decision to take out my profits too early. Yeah, we'll never be perfect in this game, but we just need to be more right than wrong. So glad to be taking profits. Next up is gold. So gold has been on up and down pricing. Trend is up in terms of the pink line. Red line is pretty flat. Blue line is up. So because it's a concurrent mode and don't see that changing any time, takes a bit more for it to change to in this concurrent mode. So we'll skip that even though prices went up. It's fine. Not sure if it's a whipsaw kind of a situation, but yeah, as long as it's a cross current and we don't see it changing within its margin of error, we're not gonna do add on the trade. Alright, natural gas is flat. I will skip that. Platinum is pink line up, red line flat, blue line flat. So nothing much we should probably be doing in platinum because it's not the strongest trend, especially over the past couple of days over here, as it takes off higher numbers. We are going to see some kind of flat-ish kind of trend for platinum. So yeah, no trade for this one. The loonies. So very nice picture of the loonies. I shorted it. So pink line is down, red line down, blue line down, very strong down. So all pictures showing a concurrent mode downwards, and I shorted it, and true enough, it has dropped quite a lot. So don't see the picture changing anytime soon. Especially in such a strong trend, and we are with the trend downwards. So yeah, good to see this red line down and red bar down yesterday. So we would definitely want this to be with today's pricing not to close back up, for it to be a sustained down. So hopefully it will be some kind of a more down day, or some kind of a pause will be a good day as well, but definitely not something that closes back up or even closes more than half above for today's half of the previous day's bar. So in nice profits for Canadian loonie, the loonies, and even though it's on its very low numbers since not even here, since maybe somewhere here, since 2017 we observed this very low blue numbers, but that's how the strength of the lines are, the momentum lines are, meaning if we are on a strong trend downwards, which is the pink line down and the red line down, this is not a sign that it will bounce back up. It could be um, low can mean lower, so and especially overriding this using this red and the pink line. So well, it might be due for some kind of a pause. It's very likely, but definitely would look to short more. So can look to sell loonies, even though it's at this low blue numbers, but as long as your stop loss are in place, it will be fine. So look to short even if you have not, and for it to change its picture, we probably look at the low of this bar, which is 13866. So you can short at this price, which is 13551. So yeah, able to short loonies even though the price just dropped so much. Okay, yen. Nothing much to look at yen because it's very choppy, so I'll skip that. And yeah, where's my positions? Hey, account positions. Yeah, okay. So nice profits unrealized at the moment, and been pretty accurate in terms of my trade so far. And subscribe to me. Let me know how you might want to, what kind of markets you like me to cover. And yeah, subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.